Hi parents, today we are starting 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication and I wanted to show you a new strategy that we're going to be using while doing that. This new strategy is called the area model, and it is actually a pretty cool way to kind of break down a difficult number like this into bite-sized chunks that kids can easily do in their heads. Then they just have to add, and it's not as overwhelming to start out with for 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. We will be moving on and actually learning the standard algorithm, but this definitely kind of gives them a more digestible chunk at the very beginning, lets them see what they're doing and see how I'm multiplying different things by different things. It's really a cool model that really shows them how the math is working. So, area model, we start out with our rectangle that we're going to find the area of. Now, our two sides of our rectangle are going to be 35 and 34. But as I said, I want to break this into two more digestible chunks. So I'm going to break 35 into 30 and 5. And I'm going to break 34 into 30 and 4. Numbers that end in 0, we've already gone over how to multiply those, how we can easily do that in their head. And so it's not something that's like too overwhelming for our kids. It's something that they've been taught and they understand. So 30 times 30, they know 3 times 3 is 9, add 2 zeros. They know 30 times 5, 3 times 5 is 15, add a 0. 30 times 4, 120. 5 times 4, 20. So easily I was able to multiply these in my head as your child should be able to do. If you really look at it, I'm really multiplying 4 times 30 whenever I'm multiplying that way. I'm really multiplying 30 times 5 when I multiply that way. So this is just kind of a visual showing them that's what they're doing, and it makes it much easier, more bite-sized. I can add them all together to get my answer. So this is my area, but it's broken into 4 pieces. I'm just going to add them up to find the area of my entire rectangle. I don't encourage our kids to add all of them at the same time because we make mistakes that way. So I like to add them one at a time until I get my answer. They could add them all 4 at the same time, but as I said, it doesn't always go well because it's a lot of steps. So anyway, here is my answer. If I were to do it the standard algorithm way, I would get the same answer because really, in all reality, I'm multiplying 4 times 5. I'm multiplying 4 times 30. I'm multiplying 30 times 5 and 30 times 30, and I would get the same answer adding all of that together. So this is the area model for multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit. I hope it has been helpful, and I hope your kid understands it a little bit better. Thanks.